Well, I have some dishes to do, and I really need to clean the kitchen. Oh my gosh. I'm just blown away at the love. Good morning, guys. I am feeling good this morning. I got a decent night's sleep for the first time in a while, and I have just kind of taken it easy and been relaxing this morning. The last couple days obviously have been crazy. We've just been working, trying to get ready for the party. That went so well. I just could not be more thrilled with how everything turned out. Everybody loved the dinner, and yeah, it was just a great night. There's some cleanup to do still. Like I said, yesterday's video, there wasn't much to do last night, like tidying up wise. The place was pretty clean. I just kind of had to tidy up specifically the dining room. And I kind of organized all of the glassware and all of the plates. Everything's like, hasn't been washed yet, but everything is organized and tidy. So I have some dishes to do, and I really need to clean the kitchen, but I let everything kind of soak overnight. So I'm feeling good. But first, before I do that, because the last couple days I haven't really been able to focus on the gym or running or stuff like that, I'm gonna get my normal morning routine in finally, try to get myself back to normal. And we're just gonna have a cleaning, relaxing day. We have 1 week left of Vlogmas, and I still have plans. There was some talk, I know people were sad to see Vlogmas go. I'll be sad to see Vlogmas go, but you can't get rid of me that easily. We still have another week left of Vlogmas, and I still got plenty of Christmas left in me. Even though the party's done, there's still plenty to do. So I hope you'll continue on this journey with me. We got another week left before we call it quits for 2024, but still plenty to do. So I'm going to do my morning routine right now, and then we'll get into a nice day of cleaning and relaxing after the chaos of the last couple days. Let's go. So I just got back, and my friend said there was a package waiting for me, and she said I should open it on camera. It's also the same friend who got me that really beautiful gift that you saw yesterday in the video. So she wouldn't tell me what it was, so I don't know if this is appropriate to go in the vlog or not. We will see, or maybe you won't. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, she got me new tripods because the tripod you're on currently is barely being held together with tape. We were talking about this last night. I don't know how she got it done in like 12 hours. The magic of Amazon. This thing just slides over. I have to it has been a nightmare shooting in the kitchen with this thing for the past couple days because I have to keep it perfectly balanced. I am very grateful. It'll definitely make the rest of Vlogmas a lot easier. Thank you, Jamela. Everybody say thank you, Jamela, because that just means I can get better content. All right. I've spent most of the afternoon after my workout just kind of getting caught up on work that I needed to do either on the computer or editing, all that kind of stuff. And honestly, I feel like part of it, needed to get done, but also part of it is I've been putting off jumping into that kitchen. But it has to be done, especially because I would love to have a calm, really chill evening. So that's going to require this all being done. So it's not something that's just looming over my head. So I'm going to jump in, start this dish marathon, clean up the kitchen, have a nice spotless kitchen so that I can go into the rest of the holidays feeling good. I think I might keep the table up. I mean, it's obviously it's large, it's big, it doesn't need to be here, but I feel like this, I'll probably run into this constantly if I move this, and I like it. It's festive. And these lights, by the way, there's still some you could see that are still on. The box said they would last like 12 to 14 hours, and I didn't believe it, which is why I wanted to do it like right before the dinner party. And I took videos after everybody left. Like, I turned off all the lights, and they were still going strong at like, it was like 1 a.m. And then when I woke up this morning, there was still a good amount of them going strong. And obviously there's still some. I was like, so for $10 and 100 of those things, that was solid investment. I would definitely use those things again for a future project. All right, let's do this. Okay, sink is empty. We're making progress. Still don't have all of that, but this is good. Not to mention all of the glassware. I'm gonna be here for a while. Time to clean my new babies. Haven't done the glasses yet. I swear I will get to them. My hands are just getting so like raw and pruny, and I don't have any like dishwashing gloves. So I was like, my hands just can't take it anymore. I've been washing for about an hour. So that's okay. It's literally just, well, it's these 2 pots, but I think I need to let them really, really soak a little bit longer. And then the glassware. But everything else looks like I got my kitchen back almost. I need to sweep and Swiffer real quick, but for the most part, she back. My fingers are so pruny right now. I think I was originally going to go see a movie because I'm really behind on all of my movie stuff, but there's some stuff on like streaming that I have been behind on too. So I think it sounds so much better to make myself some leftovers and get all cozy and put on a movie here, because I've just been going, and to just sit on my couch and watch a movie sounds really nice. So I think that's the plan today. We got a lot of Vlogmas still to come up, so I think I can have a chill day. Side note, I've been cleaning, so I haven't been looking at my phone, and I just looked at a lot of your comments from the video I just posted about the actual party. I guess it would have been yesterday's video for you. Just really beautiful comments, and I'm just blown away at the love, the community that we're building here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Not only through Vlogmas, which has been wonderful to share my day-to-day with you, and I'm surprised you guys aren't bored with me by now, but, you know, throughout this entire year, I've grown so much in the year. The channel's grown insanely. I think I got an update like a week ago that said, like, a memory from a year ago, you just hit 600, and I was like, I hit 600 subscribers a year ago, and to see where we're at now, like, it's just, I feel so fortunate to have you all. I feel so blessed, and I'm just excited. It makes me want to film more. It makes me want to edit more. It makes me want to share more of my life because you guys have been so amazing. So, side note, thank you so much for all the beautiful comments you guys have been leaving on the video today. I'm really touched. I will respond, but right now I need to eat. While I'm sitting here waiting for my food to be ready, I did want to mention really quickly, I posted Sunday's video like right as we were about to sit down it was a rush. I cannot believe that I got a video out on the day of the party. The amount that I love you guys, that I was able to get an over 20-minute video done, edited and posted on the day that I threw a 6-course dinner party is wild. But I didn't write a description because I didn't have time, so I just posted it and went with it. But I did, however, go back and put in the description all of the recipes that I used, that I have recipes for, like a lot of stuff like the turkey and like the potatoes and stuff like that. It's just stuff that I know how to make, so there's no recipe for it. So anything that I used a recipe for, it is now all linked in the descriptions of all those Vlogmases. So if you want any of those, I know some of you asked for them in the comments, they are now linked in those videos. So have that. Everything was great. I don't think there was a recipe. I mean, most of the recipes I've done before, but I don't think there's a recipe that I would say didn't go over well. So recommend all of them. I had to lotion. My hands are so dry after that. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, movie time. Let's go. Hi. All right. We are going to put on a movie and cuddle. Get a nice fresh day of Vlogmas started tomorrow. So have a great night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Say bye. Say bye. All right, let's watch a movie.